Okay, 31 to 33, solve by completing the square. Right now in Algebra 1, the only way you could do this is if the x squared is positive and is if you have a even b term. In Algebra 2, you'll learn how to do this more complex ways, but right now, in Algebra 1, the x squared has to be 1 and the b term has to be even. Okay, so right here we're going to move the 20 over. So we have x squared plus 12x blank equals negative 20. 12x. Now we're going to complete the square. So remember, you do 12 times 2 and get 6, and then you do 6 squared, don't you? Which is 36, right? So we're going to add 36 to both sides. And then this side would factor to x plus 6 squared equals, and this is going to be 16. Then you square root both sides to get rid of that second power, and you would end up with x plus 6 equals plus or minus 4, right? Move over the 6, so you would have x equals negative 6 plus or minus 4. So your zeros would be negative 6 plus 4 is a negative 2, comma, negative 6 minus 4 is a negative 10. So these would be my zeros of this completing the square. Right here, let's move the 15 over. So we're going to get x squared minus 8x blank equals negative 15 blank. Then we're going to take the negative 8, divide by 2, get negative 4 and square, and you would get a 16, wouldn't you? Okay, so we're going to add a 16 to both sides. Just basically take that number, divide by 2 and square it. And then this would factor to x minus 4 squared equals 1. Square root. You get x minus 4 equals plus or minus 1. Then you move over the 4. So x equals 4 plus or minus 1. I'm going to get two roots, aren't I? X equals 4 plus 1 is 5, comma, 4 minus 1 is 3. So my zeros are 5 and 3. Fun stuff. Okay, scooch over the 24. X squared minus 10x blank equals 24 blank. I forgot the x right here. Take the negative 10. Divide by 2, negative 5 squared, and you get 25. So we're going to add 25 to both sides. This right here would factor to x minus 5 squared equals, and this is going to be 49. Square root. X minus 5 equals plus or minus 7. Move over the 5. X equals 5 plus or minus 7. So x would end up equaling 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Those would be my two zeros. Ho, 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 ho.